What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of two different examples, and both of them contain square roots. So first one, when you want to find out f prime x, we know negative 2 square root of 5x squared plus 3. I can write it as negative 2 times 5x squared plus 3 to the power of 1/2. So when you find out derivative is going to be negative 2 times 1 over 2 times 5x squared plus 3 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 times derivative of 5x squared plus 3, which is going to be 10x. 2 and 1 over 2 cancel out. It's going to be negative, so negative 10x times 5x squared plus 3 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So that's going to be negative 10x over square root of 5x squared plus 3. Next example, g of x equals to square root of 4 minus 3x squared. So g prime is going to be, here we have 4 minus 3x squared to the power of 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 times 4 minus 3x squared to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 times derivative of 4 minus 3x squared, which is going to be negative 6x. Negative 6x times 1 over 2 is going to be negative 3x. We have 4 minus 3x squared to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 is going to be negative 1 over 2. So that's going to be negative 3x over square root of 4 minus 3x squared. That's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.